In this tutorial, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on OKX Wallet. So first of all, open your OKX Wallet app. And if you aren't started yet on OKX Wallet, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get a nice welcome bonus up to free crypto for $50. So anyway, let's dive into the video. And in order to buy Bitcoin, we are going to click on buy and sell from our home screen. And in here, we're going to select Bitcoin. And by default, it is already selected. But if not, then go ahead and select BTC or search for BTC. So let's select this. And now we can enter the amount of euros that we want to buy. And my account is set to euros. But if you have an account that is set to dollars, this will be in your currency, of course. You need to enter an amount that is above 2 euros or something that is equivalent to that. So probably $2. And I'm going to buy for $2.50. And I'm going to use my balance as a payment method. And if you have different payment methods added to your account, then you are able to select those in here as well. So I'm okay with this. I'm going to click on preview. Right now I can see the amount of fees and these are 0, so that is nice. And down below I can confirm by clicking on buy BTC. So let's do that. So as you can see, our order is complete. We have purchased our Bitcoin and now we can click on continue to trade. And let's head over to our portfolio at the bottom right. And in here, we see that our Bitcoin is added to our account. So that is how you buy Bitcoin on OKX Wallet. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.